It's been a day, stressing out like crazy. Just wanna be lazy with.
Swat it off. There you go. There you go.
Daisy, there's a fish in my paddleboard.
Go ahead, don't we fly? Maybe we can holler at the boys. Looking so good, whistle when they walk by. Cause we know what they want, but we just laugh. Yeah, we won't let them get away with that. We walk tall, our heads held high. Cause we so motherfucking fly. Yeah, wings of gold, we touch the sky. Bad bitches till we die. We so fly. Just to show how we get down.
So it's been multiple days since I went to the beach. I kind of just vegetated Saturday and Sunday at the beach. So this is me picking up where I left off, and because I've been vegetating all weekend, well, not really, I've been hanging out, doing my thing. My apartment is trash, so I'm gonna do a quick little tidying of the apartment, and then I'm going to sleep. I don't know what I'm gonna do. We'll figure it out.
Down, yeah. I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why I'm down, yeah? No friends of mine around, yeah. Now I'm thinking might have caught the June blues. Yeah, I wanna drown myself inside the juice. Yeah, you know I keep on running from the truth. Was that not? I'm just a lonely fucking you. Now when I drive around, don't feel it up. Why it's getting colder when the sun come out? Might just waste away, don't know what life about. Another day go by, don't know what got me down. June blues, yeah, I got the June blues, yeah. Walk around like who you, yeah. It's something you get used to, yeah. Go blame the June blues, yeah. It's just the June blues, yeah. Walk around like who you, yeah. Just something you get used to. Breaking news got me breaking. I was present, hopeless, praying. Struck down at 20, plenty left to put behind you. You ain't peaked, devil's peeking, now they speaking about you, leave it alone. Hope you grinning while you watch your bros on some soulful sunny shit to brighten up a wounded soul. Honest, you the penny, pick it up like Chevy, New Age Machiavelli, disagree, don't tell me, now you in infinity, we 98, trust that he be good. On the ball like BB, don't make no mistakes, got the faith. The 18 just not gonna be the same. Finna bleed down generations, not gonna be in vain. Too young, why you gotta go,
So I just got off of work, and now I'm gonna make dinner. I'm gonna make tacos, and it's not gonna be like authentic tacos. It's not gonna be probably up to a lot of your standards, but I'm gonna do it. It's just gonna be ground turkey with some taco seasoning. So it is what it is, you know? We work with what we're given. As you can see, I'm just letting my turkey simmer. Just add some other things other than the packet. I don't know, I'm not a chef. Have you ever had like a super off day? Obviously everyone has had a super off day, but today it's just, today's just crazy. Like, I am so tired and I just want to sleep, but I need to like do stuff and be productive, you know? So, I don't know. It's just a weird day. It's just a weird day, that's all. Oh, I hope these tacos are good. I'm gonna be real peeved if they're not. I usually try to chop up the meat a little bit better when it's like raw, but I didn't, and that's on me. But gosh, that's the day I'm having. It's just so. Hope you're having a better day.
We walk tall, our heads held high, 'cause we so motherfucking fly, yeah. Wings of gold.
Now that you've seen what I've eaten, I'm gonna go. I'm gonna wrap this thing up and I'm gonna go. Hope you had a good time. If you had a good time, check out the other times. Maybe you'll have an even better time. Who knows? You won't until you try it.